I'm Kiersten.
I'm Chris.
In today's video, we are going to be making the third and last Cheetos mac and cheese.
Flamming hot.
Yeah, there you go. So we're just gonna taste test it for you to see if we like it or not.
And if we have to, we will add some ranch.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot. It's gonna be fun though. I also have two other videos that we have done with the Cheetos mac and cheese. I will link them down below. What is he doing? Alright, let's just get right into this.
So this is what the packet looks like. Focus. And of course, there are the noodles. So that's the color of the powder. Sorry about the fault.
Holy shit, we're gonna die.
It's red.
Say a prayer for our guts inside. Okay, so we have our bowl right here. They're really hot, smoking. Focus, camera. Camera,
Focus.
focus on me.
Okay.
Good. Alright,
Alright, we're gonna taste it. Here we go.
we have a bowl on it, it's hot.
Pray for our souls.
I'm scared. Oh no. Holy hot.
That's flaming hot.
Oh
Alright.
yeah.
Ooh.
Oh.
I only ate one noodle.
I ate two.
You ate 3.
Did I eat 3? I don't know if it's hot.
Yep, definitely need some ranch in it.
I might try to eat it like this.
You're gonna die.
Dude, we should do a spicy challenge. Eat the whole bowl.
Oh god. Nope.
Are you dying?
Yep. Are you? Okay.
Alright.
So, if you like it.
Okay. So, what would you rank this?
Off the charts.
Yeah, but do you like it or hate it?
If I had ranch in it, I'd like it. But
like itself.
It's alright. Just the spice is like.
So, which one do you prefer out of the 3?
I don't mind the jalapeno one first.
Yeah, I think I like the jalapeno one. And then the regular one. And then this one. This one's definitely the spiciest, so if you like spice, this is the one to go for.
If you're hardcore spice.
If you like a little bit of spice, I suggest the jalapeno one. And if you don't like spice at all, just go with the plain, cheesy, bold one. I don't even know what it's called, but yeah.
So,
give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below if you've ever tried these.
hit that big red button that says subscribe.
And turn on bell notifications so you're notified when we post every single Friday. This is KMCers, whatever, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.